guys, welcome back to the channel. Drifted here with a brand new video, and welcome back to our 12 Days of Christmas series, where today I'm gonna be wrapping presents. I just did all my Christmas shopping today, so I figured I'd record a vlog for you guys where I'm just wrapping all the presents. Now, I expect no judgment in this video today because I'm not very good at wrapping, but you know what? We're gonna go ahead and try it today, and I gotta wrap stuff like this, and this is very tiny, or even stuff like a razor, you know, I mean, how am I supposed to do that? But anyways, we'll figure it out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so first present we're gonna be wrapping is actually my family present that I got, which is this game called Throw Burrito. I played this last year with my family when we went on a little vacation to a lodge, and this was it was so much fun to play, so I figured I'd get it again. The game wasn't ours, so I got it for my family, so we're gonna go ahead and play it on Christmas Eve. So let's go ahead and start wrapping this first. Okay, first one is done. There it is. I hope you guys like it. Let's move on to the next one. I got this doll for my niece. She's about a year, so she's gonna have to grow into it, but I think she'll love it. I don't know, it's one of the ones that you can like customize or whatever. I don't know. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap this. This one I feel like it did a little bit better. Here's the doll. This backside I need to work on, but hey, you know what? I think I did a pretty good job on this. See, but not all these gifts are going to be going into wrap things. Here I got some fragrance and a planner and a card for my grandma, so we're just going to put it in the bag here and kind of set it up just like this. You can put the planner in right there, and the card can go right there. I think that's pretty good. I also got some tissue paper, nice assortment of red, white, and green to mix it up there. I think that'll look pretty good. Okay, there we go. There's the completed gift with a little card on top there, and I think this is pretty good. Okay, this one I feel like I get a little bit of leeway. This was a blanket, and I tried to wrap it as best as I could, and I think I did pretty good. I was wanting to do this little twirly thing at the top there for both sides, but I just kind of stuck to the standard taping it on. So we're gonna go with that. Hey guys, sorry I didn't film much of the wrapping presents because it did get a little boring. It was just kind of me repeating the same process over and over again for each present. But now I'm finally ready to show you guys. I got it all done, so here's the final look. And here it is. These are all the presents I got. I mean, we're not spending Christmas at my apartment here, but you know, I got them all laid out here. Those are too big to wrap, so I think I'm just gonna hide them in my car. Those are for my dad. He was asking for dinner tray table, so gonna leave those right there for now. I'm gonna hide them in my car on Christmas Day, and I can just give it to them. But there's the doll that I wrapped for my niece, and here's just all the presents. I put some of them in bags too, just because it's a little bit easier, but yeah, so this is what the final product looks. It looks very nice, I think. Yeah, I think that's gonna do it for today's 12 days. I hope you guys enjoyed this little short video, and if you guys did, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel because we are getting so close to 200 subscribers. I can't even believe it. We just reached 100 in October, and we're already almost to 200. I can't believe it. So it'd be really great if you guys just subscribe and like the video, and if you guys haven't already, have a Merry Christmas, and I will see you guys all in the next one. Peace out, guys. Bye-bye.